Well, hello there, and welcome back to Carol Seal Action Plan. I'm Carol, your beauty school dropout and amateur chef. Thanks for watching. Today is, I got a bunch of mail. Well, not that much mail. So I'm going to open it so you can share with me. Just got home from work a little bit ago, and I just put in 2 chicken serranos so I can make chicken bacon ranch casserole tonight so that I will have lunch tomorrow. I'm going to take a little bit to my coworker Lori, who is awesome. So the first one is obviously from Amazon. So we'll see what I got. I mean, I know what I got. It's just fun to open. Oh, I got some, they're like grippy hair clips because, look, it's Duncan. Dude. It's because my hair's getting longer, of course. Duncan wants to say hi, obviously. Well, so now you want to run away as soon as I pick you up. You want to be all in the action. I'm going to make you love me. My hair's getting longer, and who knows what I'm going to do with it. It could change any day. Every day I'm like, I should shave it. No, I shouldn't. Oh, and I got a set of doe color eye brushes. Like, I don't know that I need more brushes, but I just keep getting them. Because I want a ton of pencil brushes, because I've been doing lots of stuff with pencil brushes lately. Like, this makeup's been on since 3:30 this morning. It is currently 4:46 p.m. Pacific time. So, it's a good job. Okay, here's another Amazon one. Oh, vitamin D. I did the 10,000. Wait a minute. This is 200. What? I may not be happy right now. No wonder these are so cheap. I thought I was getting. Oh no, these are 10,000 IUs. I need this much vitamin D because I'm not a sun person. Oh, and another. Hi Duncan, you back again? I want to get a flat angle, is this a flat one? I don't even know what I just ordered. I have a lot of makeup brushes. I need them all. This was supposed to be a flat angle liner brush, so for doing my magnetic lash liner. But I guess I didn't. Oh, it is. Oh, that's nice. Let's see if we can focus there. Oh, let me do the proper booty guru. Wait, here's, look at that. So it's a little angled one. So that'll be good. All right. That was a lot right here. So very happy about that. And this is Boxycharm. This, I believe, is the premium one because for the month of November you had to pay for the regular one and the premium one. So they both allegedly shipped out on Sunday, and this one got her today. The other one hasn't moved at all. And so I emailed Boxycharm because, you know, I like to email and find out what the fuck is going on. And basically, they're stupid. I emailed them and say, hey, they both went out at the same time. What's the deal? Because I can't see the regular one moving at all. Like, oh, you'll get a shipment notification when it ships. Like, yeah, it shipped. So I replied to them with the whole, I'm tracking number, nothing's happening. So we'll see what happens. So this is Boxycharm Premium. I have a feeling I might stick with this one instead of the regular one. But maybe I'll keep both. I don't know. It's a lot though. I would keep both for myself if I quit buying everything else in the world. But you never know what's going to happen. So this is premium. This is the first month of it. And they bubble wrap that crap. And this is Stellar is the theme of the month. Ugh. I can't stand Nikita Dragon. I just can't. But I'll go with it. I'm not buying her shit. So the first thing is, here's a, this looks like a 5-piece brush set by Boxycharm with a little envelope. And it looks like Boxycharm 5-piece brush set. This is the retail price is $65 for these 5 brushes. So there's this one. It's pretty soft. I guess that'll be a foundation brush, huh? It says that they're introducing your new favorite brush set. Boxycharm branded 5-piece set was created to help you achieve a flawless look. Ideal for precise placement and seamless blending of all your go-to beauty products. These oval shaped and ultra soft luxury brushes are handcrafted, synthetic, and cruelty-free. So it is very soft. This could be a good foundation brush. Perhaps I will try it tomorrow. And then here's another one. This could be a little contour brush. And let's see what's left. Oh, this I guess would be a blush brush. I like when brushes have labels in them. Not like I will use it for whatever. Here's a flat brush. And I'm going to assume this is an eyeshadow brush. I'll try them out. They're probably going to be okay. They're big though. I need a lot of space for brushes because I have a lot of brushes because I have problems, people. Let me set this here. I don't have to do with all my stuff out here. And then next we have Dragon Beauty. Let's see, this is the Dragon Beauty Dragon Fire Dragun. That is improper spelling. It's personally formulated by the mother of dragons. She ain't no mother of dragons. I don't see no eggs coming out of her. And so this is retails for $25. Works well on all skin tones. Helps to conceal, correct, and perfect the appearance of dark circles, discoloration, and blemishes. Infused with light reflecting mattifying powers to brighten and blur. This formula diffuses imperfections to create a photo filtered fantasy. Okay. In real life, saturated vitamin E and vitamin A, Dragon Fire blends effortlessly and offers fully customizable light to full coverage. See, this is, I know it says it's for all skin tones, but this seems like it's warm toned. I'm kind of a neutral, but it's like pumpkin spice. I might try it. I might just pass it on. It's okay, but I'm just not. No. Well, we'll see. Maybe I'll send it to Rich Lux because he likes it. This is QMS Intensive Eye Care Day and Night Eye Cream. Moisturizing formula. What? This retails for $150? This is 0.57 fluid ounces. 0.57. $150. Thought I was bougie, but I guess I am now. It has a pleasing smell. We'll see how it goes. I'll try it. Especially at night. Night'll be nice. And this is the Kapari Coconut Rose Toner. This says it's a vegan, alcohol-free, and multitasking toner to keep redness at bay. That'll be great for me. I'll be happy about that. Can also be used as a face primer, setting spray, and quick refresh throughout the day. So it'd be cool, not that I'm complaining about the size, because this retails for $25, but throughout the day you would think it'd be a smaller container, although I could put it in a different spray bottle. So it's all good, but let's see, let me smell it. smells very nice, like roses. So I'll be using this. And then we also have, this is the Becca Glow Gloss Champagne Cream. This is retails for $22. I can't believe the eye cream was $150. So here we go. Gloss is like the big deal this this season. I am more of a matte girl myself. This is what it looks like. It's kind of a goldish one. I'm going to put it on over this Pat McGrath because I can. It smells weird though. I don't know how I feel about smell. It smells weird. It smells kind of like dirt. Weird. Oh, it's probably because of the stuff in it. Illuminate your lips with a Luxe conditioning lip color that combines the shine of a gloss and nourishing benefits of a balm. 3D light reflecting pigments instantly make lips look fuller and smoother. Formulated with vitamin E, shea, and muro butters for soft, supple lips. I don't know about the muro butter. That might be the dirt smell to me. Who knows? And then the last thing is Natasha Denona Blush and Glow Palette. Let's read it. I don't have anything by Natasha Denona, but I will tell you that when I have closed captioning on YouTube and someone talks about Natasha Denona, it says that Natasha Denona. It makes me giggle because I'm easily amused. Okay, let's take a look at this. And this says, an ultimate glow palette inspired by Natasha Denona's best-selling diamond and blush palette, featuring some of her best-selling shades and formulas. Retail price is $55. And then also this came with the coupons where it says you can save $30% on Natasha Denona Safari Palette, Sunset Palette, or Eyeshadow Palette $228. I already have a Sunset Palette dupe because I'm a jerk like that, but it's fine, whatever. I do like how this Becca lip gloss looks over this Pat McGrath lipstick that I wore today. Got it. So this is the Bloom Blush and Glow palette. Is there a shade? It's just, there's no shade. It's just what it is. But it's very it's nice. Oh, I just put my finger all over it. I'm trying to figure this packaging out. So this bottom one is Glow Extreme, Glow Cream Base. This is a cream blush and a dual glow. So I guess the cream ones are separated by this little thingy. So let's do a little swatchy swatch. So this is that cream blush on the, God, I suck at this. I'm gonna do it on my hand like I should have done. It's sparkly. So here's the Glow Cream Base. Oh, interesting. So I guess you could put this on. See, it's right there. So it's a lot more subtle. Come on, focus. I know the tattoos are distracting. And then this is the Dual Glow, which is the one right there. Here's the Dual Glow. I like that. It feels very soft. I do talk some shit about Natasha Denona just because it's funny. And here's the Glow Extreme. It's right there. So I guess you'd probably put the Glow Extreme over the base and then make it all kinds of glowy. So that's cool. Who knows? I'm open to it. I don't usually wear a lot of blush. I'll do a little bit. So I believe, so this is the first premium one. I think I'm going to stick with this one. I don't know when the regular one's going to get here because I can't find tracking info on it. So very weird. Anyways, that's all I got for today. I haven't eaten food all day, so I need to make some food besides the food that I'm making in the oven. And thank you so much for watching. I'm getting it together out here so I can actually do more videos. Today I'm wearing one of the Pat McGrath new quad eyeshadows. I really like it. It's sparkly. Have a great night. I'll talk to you soon. Stay out of trouble. And we'll have some more reviews because I got stuff coming in. Alright, have a good one. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, thumbs up, share with your friends, whatever. I'd like to get more viewers. I know that I have to do more work to get more viewers, but help me out. Bye-bye.